Draw 60-degree angle using compass. So how you will draw 60-degree angle? Only by using compass and ruler. So at first you will draw a straight line, okay? Then take this kind of thing, draw this one like this, okay? Full semicircle, one semicircle, like it is center, and take this amount and draw like this. Then same amount like this, same, draw here, then take here and draw here. So this will be 60-degree. Then take scale and draw the line. This will be 60-degree, and this is 60 plus 60, 120. This is 120 total. This is 120. Okay, so that is 60-degree. If you are also asked, then how can we draw 30-degree? Then take this point and draw here like this, and same amount take here and this. Then it will be the bisector of 60-degree. Then it will be, this is 30-degree. Okay, so that's how you can draw 60-degree, 30-degree, 120-degree, 90-degree, all these angles by using compass and ruler. Thank you.